welcome back to my channel. So today this is a very special quiet book. This is one of my favorite quiet books and I love this very much, which is a school quiet book, and many people were also requesting to make it. So today I have also given the tutorial to how to make it a long time ago. So today I will be playing with it and I'm very excited. But it's gonna start with a story, and also I made a glittery school bus. So let's move on. So here you can see there are 3 students. They are waiting for the school bus. I'm waiting for the school bus. Me too, and me also. So the school bus is on the way. Beep beep. Oh, our school bus is here. Come on, let's go in. So this is their trolley bags and their lunch boxes. So she will go in here. Now she will go in the school bus. Now she is going in the school. Now all the students are in the school bus and they are ready to go. Beep beep. Boom, boom, boom. Beep, beep. Now the school bus has reached. So now the girls will come out. So this one comes out. This one comes out. And this will go to pick up more students. Beep, beep. So now ready to go inside. Whew. Let's go inside the school. Okay. So now let me show you the first page. Wow, it is so beautiful. You can see this is the classroom. This is the teacher's desk, a pointer, some chalk and erasing board. So here's some grass and there are tables. 1 minute. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. We're just gonna put our bags in the lockers. Okay. So now they will go in their lockers room. 1 minute. So this is like the library, and over here there are their lockers. So they will put their stuff in the lockers room. You can also see it's written. So they're also gonna take out their notebooks. Let's put this in here. 1 minute. We're first gonna take out the notebooks, math, and a big storybook, and her pencil, and her eraser. Okay. We will also take her lunchbox. And we will put her lunchbox in here. Okay. Now we will put hers. Okay. Let's open it. Okay. Okay, now she's in her lap, like in her hand. Let's put this in the little. Now let's put her. Now we will put this her also, we will take out her notebooks, her cat storybook, and her pencil, and her eraser. It's very hot. Let's put it in her hands. And we will put this and this. Now they're ready to go to the classroom. 1 minute. So now let's seat her. One minute. Now we will seat her. This. Here, this, her. These students are in first grade. Okay, now we're ready to play. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, students. Today is the subject of English. Today we will be studying English and math. So first we will study English. So in English we will first learn the ABCs. Okay, let me write. See, I had made her a pen. Now she's gonna write. Okay, now she's gonna ask the question on the board. Now who's gonna answer this question? Let me first write on the board. This is the chalk. Okay. So her name is Angel. Her name is 1 minute. Her name is Stacy, and her name is Pinky. Okay. So who's gonna answer this? She's raising her hand up. Me. Okay, Stacy, you have to come to the board. Okay, Miss Gabby. She's going to the board. Her name is Miss Gabby. I forgot to tell you guys. So, this is A, B, and C. Done. Good job. You will get a prize and the school is over. Thank you, ma'am. Miss Gabby, I mean. So I'm writing your assignment on the board to do in your notebooks. Okay. Now they're gonna write. She's gonna write in her math notebook. Okay. She's gonna write also in her math notebook. And she's also gonna write. Oops, I did a mistake. It's fine, we will erase it. Okay, students, now it's time for us to go to the library. Okay? Okay, Miss Gabby. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay. Now the students will go to the library with Miss Gabby. Let's